Hello and welcome to this SensaMarket tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of exporting your saved trades. This powerful feature allows you to create a local backup, perform in-depth personal analysis, or easily share your trading data for tax purposes. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your SensaMarket account and are on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, select Saved Trades to access your portfolio of current and past positions. You are now on the Saved Trades page. This is where you can view all the trades you've saved on the platform, whether they are active or closed. To export this data, look for the Export button located at the top right of your trade list. After clicking Export, a confirmation window will pop up. This window informs you that your trades will be exported as an Excel file. Please note that there is a limit of 1,000 trades per export. To complete the process, simply click the Export as Excel button. And just like that, you've successfully exported your trades. But why is this feature so useful? Let's quickly cover the key benefits. First, for detailed analysis. Opening this file in Excel or Google Sheets allows you to sort, filter, and chart your performance. You can calculate custom metrics, track your profit and loss by strategy, and identify patterns to improve your trading. Second, for record keeping and journaling. Maintaining a personal trading journal is a crucial habit for serious traders. An exported file gives you a permanent, offline record of every trade, complete with cost basis, dates, and returns. And finally, for tax purposes. At the end of the year, having a well-organized spreadsheet of all your trades can make tax preparation significantly easier for you or your accountant. It's a straightforward way to take full control of your trading data. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. For more tips and platform guides, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for using SensaMarket.